My name is Cas Rosman. I conducted my master thesis research at NXP Semiconductors. So my research was about using AI algorithms to predict which products were manufactured correctly. So we used data gathered from the factories and tried to find patterns that could indicate if products might contain defects before sending them to the customer. So the key takeouts of my thesis were two things. First was that we created an algorithm that was able to find products that were manufactured incorrectly and might generate problems at the customer. And second was that the algorithm was able to identify the patterns that lead to these manufacturing malfunctions. And those patterns can then be used by the process experts to try and prevent these mistakes from happening in the future. The most exciting thing was really when the algorithm actually worked. So you press run and it turned out that it was able to predict which products were produced correctly and which weren't. And the second one was really to give feedback to the engineers on the patterns that I found, because their reactions were very mixed and again sometimes very positive, sometimes very negative. So it was really nice talking to the process experts about my findings and to see if they aligned. My research at this moment is being used, first of all, the algorithm is being used as an offline research tool where you extract data from the factory, analyze it using the algorithms that we developed. There's also a project ongoing where we try to bring these kinds of algorithms live into the factory so that you can do quality inspections using the AI algorithms that we trained.